Hi guys, good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. T. Radhashi, Assistant Professor in Commerce. The class we have seen about the mission hour rate in depreciation in functional accounting. Let me see about that. Mission hour rate. What is the mission hour rate? The depreciation is calculated. We can able to purchase a machine. It can be as a lease or it can be as a rental basis. In that way, how they are giving a rate for that machines by giving a lease. It is how many hours the machine is working in a particular company. We want to calculate the hours. It can be calculated by the hours. We can give a machine hour rate method. In the base the usage of the depreciation we can able to find out. In the hour for a calculation we can give a per hour how many hours the machine is working. In a multiple by a number of hours the machine is operated. Depreciation is also calculated by per hour and then multiple by the numbers of hours the machine is operated. It is giving a depreciation is charged based on the number of hours a machine is used, or owning of the cost, the operation cost, maintenance cost and the other cost. It can be included in the machine hour rate method. In that way, the machine hour rate method using by the formula, it can be given a calculation process by the cost. In the cost, we can able to minus the scrap value of their product. In that way, we can able to divide the total machine hours for the annuity and the annual depreciation of this, the depreciation per hour into the hours used by during the year, or we can say it is a day calculation we can able to put. In next, if we can say a giving of the example time, a cost of machine is 5 lakh. The scrap value is 20,000. The estimated life is 4,000. The machine is working. The actual hours used is 1000 hours. We are giving this the step of the depreciation per hour. We can say the cost of machine is minus by the scrap value, and we want to divide it in the estimated life of the machine. In that way we can get a per hour. In the per hour only we have been used how many hours the machine is working. For an example, we can say 4000 hours that totally the machine is working, but at the time that we are using the machine, 1000 hours is the machine is working. So we want to calculate it by this given formula. We can get the total amount of cost which have been the machine is run. The next, two machines working different hours. How we can able to calculate? We also able to calculate by the giving a machine is A. It is working for cost of the machine is 3 lakhs. That scrap value is 30,000. So we are getting a 2,700. We can be used as a how many hours the machine is working in the particular, that is a 900 hours. The depreciation is calculated by same way of the double of the machine. The two machine is working the same condition. We can able to calculate it by this in this regarding way only. Then next we have seen a middle year. The middle year, when we are purchasing, it can be also is calculated by the cost and the scrap value. The same process they have been handled in this. The life of the machine is a 6,000. The hour can be calculated by the fixed installment and the diminishing way and the machine hour rate calculations. So the depreciation per hour is being calculated by the given process way. We can able to identify what is the process we are giving this. In the able to find out this depreciation in the half an year, only the actual cost of the machine can be calculated by this. The next is the machine working different hours each year. The machine can be run in a particular day. The current is fully off. We can able to not use the machines. In that way, we can able to minus in the 13 months of the month. In the 30 days of this month, we can able to the cost of the machine as a 2,50,000. The scrap is a 10,000. The life of the machine is a 3000. We can able to calculate by the giving the process, the way of the calculation, the first year, second year, third year. The hours waste we can be able to find it. In the hours waste, the machine hour per rate is can be changed by given the hours only. The next, we have seen the idle hour, the no emissions of the depreciations. If the mission is idle hours, we can able to not putting in the proper way. The mission is the idle for 500. The using of the mission is 1000. We can able to identify the total life of the mission is running for 500 hours. But we have been purchasing the mission. It can be run for the 1000 hours. It is a normally we can be done in that way. So we can able to identify the idle hours do not be getting a depreciation. These are the ways we can able to identify and calculate the mission hour rate method. Thank you for listening the mission hour rate method in the depreciation.